po, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Welcome po sa aming channel. At ngayon po ay umattend kami rito sa kaarawan ni Angelica, 18th birthday. Angelica Schumann. Make sure lang mo panoorin ang dulo. At maraming pong salamat ulit sa inyo.
Nasingkit, Mr. Carbonell. Ayan, so let us kapamilya, kapuso ng ating lovely birthday girl and Laysan family as well. Kaya din po tayo nanggaling sa Tarlac. Ayan, mga Tarlac po, Apayao Tarlac din. And then may mga bisita din po tayo nanggaling sa Claveria. Ayan, the relatives of our Laysan family. And especially po sa ating mga kalugaran, barangay Dardara, na laging nandito, nagkikipag-selebrasyon sa anumang okasyon dito sa ating barangay. So at this point, we would like to thank our barangay officials headed by the very assertive Purong Barangay, Norlina Silvania. Let us take a moment to bow our heads and seek blessings for this joyous occasion. May we call upon Reverend Father Angelito de Gracia to let us the opening prayer. May I request everybody to a word of applause, please, to the very brusco, tall now, tall, white, puti na father ng ating birthday girl to give his welcome comments.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for coming, weather delayed. I really know that it was a long drive for many people. I want to thank all the cousins, titas, grandparents, all the people from Cagayao and Dardara for attending. And my daughter Angelica means the world to me. This is her 18th birthday, and I can't think of a better way or a better place to celebrate it. So I hope you all have a great time tonight, and look forward to the celebration. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Ayan, o diba? Para magkaunawaan tayong lahat. Tinatawag.
With this short message because I didn't bring a lot of English. So that's why when my sister asked me to give a message, I told her that yes, but then suddenly I remember English pala. So good evening everybody, and welcome to this special celebration. Despite of the rain, so thanks God for the rain stop. This evening we gather to celebrate the remarkable milestone of Angelica Laysan Schumann, my niece. Her 18th birthday. Join us in wishing her a day filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories as she embarks on this exciting journey into adulthood. And may God bless you, and I hope you have more birthdays to come, and you have more good health. That's all. Thank you.
Presentation. Sa ating improving Mag-press na lang po tayo, ma'am and sir. Okay, now sir. Later, sir. Yung first muna. Family members. Ayan, number 11. Daddy, all birthday girl. Sir, and of course, we cannot forget the grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins whose love and support have also played a significant role in Angelica's life. Please join me in welcoming Mamita, Mrs. Angelita Lisa. Apo, Lady Renato Lisa. Nasaan si Mamita? Sa harap po tayo. Ayan. Malagpak po. We have also her cousins, Veronica, Ana Milen, Christina, Ma'am Dayan, Engineer Eric, and Dario, Sir James Alan, Giancarlo, Paula, Ma'am Michelle, Grayson Mauri, Ma'am Samantha, and Lars also, the loving cousins of our loving girl. Family members. Ayan. We have also our titas and son. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the wonderful family to see the beauty of this world on the second day of July 2006 at California, USA. Overwhelmed with gladness in heart by a loving Mama Aurelia and hopeful Daddy Scott because they had finally seen their unique idea. After 18 long years of constant yet fruitful journey in the long cycle of life, a young woman tonight has finally reached the second crossroad of her life. This night marks a major milestone in the history of her existence, for this event signifies this culminating of her adolescence and the end of her immaturity. She was like a caterpillar that has grown and metamorphosed into a lovely and attractive butterfly. She was also like a bud which has grown and blossomed into fragrant and exquisite flower. Indeed, from a young and timid child, she had developed into a refined and dignified lady. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the Regent Debitan as we celebrate her tonight in all her glory. I request everyone to please stand as we welcome the entrance of our birthday girl, Miss Angelica Lisa Showman.
Katayag daw.
One round of applause, please, once again, to our birthday girl, escorted by her dad. Photo opportunity. The family first. Please po. Family first. Cousins, titos, and titas. Family members. Family members, please. Ayan, photo opportunity na po tayo.
Peg! Peg!
Ayan. So, pwede na po tayo umako po. Once again, the family members of our birthday girl, Angelica Lisa Showman. To the beauty of this individual who has played a significant role in her life, weaving a tapestry of love and memories that have shaped her into the remarkable woman she is today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the first dance of our birthday girl, her beloved Papa Scott Showman. A warm applause, please. Lady Carol now, the second dance of our lovely debutante. So much too much.
I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell.
Mr. Sergio Rivera.
Rather die than let you go. Juliet to your Romeo. How I heard you say.
Sunod natin, Mr. Franco Ayawa.
Fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall.
Family friends, Ma'am Alisa.
Then I found her. I found you.
Another friends, neighbor of Alisa family, we have Mr. Joey Solido.
Found her.
Kelly Papa. Derby Solido.
Nights will seem so long. You see far away, so clear. I might have been in love before. Now, touch me now.
Awan na naman palakpak kita awan.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than you.
In the absence of the one 18 Roses presentation, may call upon Sir Ferdinand assist me para makompleto ang ating 18. The head teacher of Daradara, Alan Lenders. And to complete our 18 Roses presentation, ang kukumpleto sa ating 18 Roses presentation, 18 Roses presentation. Thank you so much, sir, engineer. 10, 9, 9. Side by side po, 9, 9 tayo. For your final photo of opportunity together with the birthday girl. 1, 2, 3, click. Thank you so much. Next, Raiden Siliha. Sunod natin si Princess Camila.
Pangasangit mo.
Simon Lee Caliel. Next, Gianna Similia. Sunod natin, Jim Carl minus Baby Thea. Sunod natin si Amira Palpalato. Sunod natin, Maridela Solar. We have Edrica Jumor. Laika Bayawa. Laika Activamos presentation. Abi Magalinay. Abi Magalinay. Last but not least, Abi. There you have a photo opportunity with ate. Ayun na. Ay, ayun. Ayan, 9-9, side by side. Picture tayo kay Ate Angelica. 9 tapos 9 doon sa side. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ganyan. 2, 4, 6, 8. Sino na lang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Closer tayo. Ayan, 9-9. Okay. Ayan, what is your...
So, ayun po ang handaan dito ngayon sa birthday.
Yes.
At ito, nasa vlog na to mamayang gabi. Kayong, sige, nagluto data kayong niya. Kasi, order na data.
Ilan taon ba si How old is
Yan po, isang buo na baboy, mga kapatid.
29. So, okay na yung ano,